cloud, light in the breeze of the sun, with the energy of love that lifts me up and envelops me in a better way. Beyond the rational, your warmth begins to transform me, and oh, I feel evaporates, flies high, begins to float and falls on you as a rain of happiness catches you, wets your soul and cannot stop, and it falls on you like hope and magic. Your smile is contagious and I don't want to come down. Your color dissolves my fear, your light is my point of peace. I get lost in the foam of the sky where time goes away. What I didn't say is condensed, it spills out when breathing, and in the earth of your chest, the storm is love.